Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To change your paperless settings in the banking app, log in. Go to the menu at the top right of the screen. Choose Details and Settings. Select Paperless Settings. Select to turn paperless statements on or off.
Let's help you make your mark.
While federal regulations do not explicitly state that it is illegal to charge for paper statements, NCLC argues that financial institutions should not, and legally cannot, charge a fee for providing something they are mandated by law to provide. The 15th of January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can order copies of your statements beyond what is available online, up to 7 years ago. If you are an online banking customer, you can sign into online banking, and select Statements and Documents under the Accounts tab. Then go to the Request Statements tab and select Order a paper statement copy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Switching to paperless statements could help prevent identity theft resulting from stolen mail. Since statements aren't mailed to your home, mail thieves won't get access to your credit card number if they intercept your mail.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.